I translated to story to cats.
Hindi to English.
Hindi to English. I
Okay.
translated
Mhm.
in English regarding to cats.
Mhm.
Two cats live in a forest or jungle.
Mhm.
They was too much be friend.
Mhm.
That is a right sentence. Too much. They was too much be friend.
Friendly. We can say. Yeah, we can say. Too much means like a very much. We can say this is person very much friend.
Very much. Too much.
Or as well as we can say best friend. Best friend means best friend.
mm, Best friend
Or
and very much.
very much, yeah, we can say, but we are beginner, we can say, but after you will don't do this mistake. It's a good. Next.
mm, They used to eat together. What
Mm-hmm.
food used to get?
Mm-hmm.
Understand?
What food?
What food used to get?
Yeah, next.
Next. One day they went to village nearby jungle.
Mm-hmm.
There they got a piece of chapati while walking.
Okay. And
Mm. They catch the chapati together and chapati is divided to piece.
two piece. Mm-hmm. Two piece.
Same as they started
Mm-hmm.
same as they started to eat. Then one cat said, "Your chapati is big."
Mm-hmm. The chapati is big.
Is big. Then
Mm-hmm.
another cat said, "My chapati is not big."
Okay.
They started fight with the same talk,
Mm-hmm.
with the same matter, same talk
Mm-hmm.
and matter to say.
Okay.
Mm, my story is ended.
End of. End it up.
Yes.
Only 5 lines? 5 4 lines.
Only 5 6 lines it was,
Mm-hmm.
not too much.
But who will take out this solution? Monkey?
Monkey.
I think listen, your PC is large. My PC is not large. Who
Yes.
will who will solution this? Who will find solution?
Thereafter they started fight with the same matter.
Got it. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Next, at what time did you get up in the morning?
I prepared many things, many question, not question.
Mhm.
I
And
something mm, like that. How to speak जितनी देर उतनी देर जो वो जितना उतना जितना उतना जिसको उसको
mhm.
this type of
Okay, this type of.
हम्म, कभी ना कभी कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ कोई ना कोई
Okay.
किसी ना किसी हो ना हो जैसे तैसे देर सवा थोड़ा बहुत हल्का फुल्का this type of I have I
Mhm.
have met in mm, there too much sentence.
Mhm. Yeah, superb, superb. It's a we have to learn and we have to do and unconscious life, unconscious sentences to
Mm,
find new sensitivity. Then we can think is about it. My English is not well, but you don't learn how will you improvement? How will you expectation my English will fail? Not excellent. You are doing good. You will get result good. It's your result. It's your hard work. It's your improvement. It's your result. It's your consequence life. Consequence of hard work. So keep it up. Yeah, it's good.
Yes, I am keeping hard work.
Yeah, superb. I glad to. I glad to. I'm too glad to. Yeah.
Thank
Mm-hmm.
you. Yes. So I have make some I have made some mm, sentence and you see you listen here. Not mm,
Mm-hmm.
in such time you are sleeping. In much time I will watch TV.
Again.
In such time you are sleeping. In much time I will watch TV.
Okay, I got it.
That means you have understood already.
Yeah, I understood already.
What you are thinking that I know.
What I thinking that I know.
What you are thinking that I
Hmm.
know.
I know everything. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Thereafter, as much water you are drinking as can, not, I cannot.
Could you repeat this question? Could you repeat?
As much water you are drinking, I cannot,
Hmm.
I can't,
As much you are drinking, I can't.
I can't. As I can't.
As I can't.
Yeah.
As. As. Mm-hmm.
As, yes, as.
Mm-hmm. Next.
Next, as many apple he sold as
Mm-hmm.
you bought.
Mm-hmm.
Thereafter,
Next. Mm.
next, whom had given money, I had called him.
Oh, okay. Mm-hmm.
After I had, you can eat as much as you like.
You can eat as much as you like.
Yes,
Superb. Because somebody give permission. You can eat whatever you like, as much you want.
you can
You
eat
can
as much as
you
you
can
like.
eat.
Yes.
Yeah.
Somebody is talking to another friend.
Yeah, another friends. Whatever you want to take, you can take. As much you want to take, you can take. And no doubt, no any stopping. You can take.
You can take. Mm.
Mm.
I have met her
Mm-hmm.
sometime or the other.
Mm-hmm. I
Anu,
had.
I have met her sometime or the other.
Okay, I understood. He had made her. Sometime he's gonna wrong. She's gonna wrong.
Not, मैंने उसको कभी ना कभी देखा, मिला.
No, still I can understand English, but Hindi is something difficult.
I have met her sometime or the other. Sometime,
Okay, I got sometime or the other. Sometime or the other. Yeah, I got understand. I got. Mm-hmm.
I have met her sometime or the other.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I will
Next,
find somewhere or the other.
I will find you somewhere or the other. I will
I,
I will get jobs somewhere or the other. Yeah.
I will
Mm-hmm.
find job somewhere or the other. You can say will I will go somewhere or the other
Mm-hmm.
for
Whenever
finding
you will
you.
get a place, somebody respect, you will leave that place. I will go somewhere or the other. Nobody. I will live. Somewhere or the other.
I will go to your home somewhere or the other.
Yeah, superb. Mhm.
That I am living in Ranchi somewhere or the other.
Somewhere or the other. Yeah. Mhm. Interesting.
Mm.
And
And she want to say something or the other.
okay. Mm.
And you are hiding something or the other.
You're hiding something or the other. Mm.
Hiding something or the other.
You should not hiding some something or the other.
Mm. That means hiding.
Yeah.
Hide, hide,
Hide
hidden.
mean conceal. Conceal. Yeah, hidden. Hide, hide, or hidden.
Mm.
And
And
mhm. Next,
next, someone or the other will talk the truth.
someone or the other will talk the truth.
Yes, yes.
Yes, superb. Means somebody want to talk to uh, truth. Somebody talk to truth. Somebody talk to lie. So we
Somebody
can
talk to
say
somebody talk to lie, and I am talking to him.
mhm,
Someone or the other will talk the truth in future.
yeah, yeah, yeah. In future, yeah, I got. Mhm,
Whenever I have made someone or the other, someone
mhm,
have told this thing, someone or the other.
mhm, mhm,
Mm. We have told this thing, someone or the other.
mhm.
Mm. Believe or not, you are telling lie.
Believe or not, you don't speak English. Believe or not, you don't learn.
Mm.
Mhm.
Believe or not, it might rain today. It might
Yeah,
cool today.
believe or not, it might rain today. Believe or not, you are my age. Believe or not, you are 20-year older. Yeah.
Mhm.
Mhm.
Believe or not, I will become a doctor.
Yeah, believe or not, I know. Sooner or later you will become a doctor. We can say.